Hello everybody, I am Baljit Dhaka from Pinnacle Coaching Center, and today we will do very important discussion on topic SSC CGL, how and what to study in economics. This is very important. Why this is important? Because the syllabus of economics, you will see that there is a vast varieties of questions that are asked from, if you see the last 3 years question paper, and in this presentation we will try to understand what kind of questions are asked, from where a student can prepare, what is the typical syllabus of SSC CGL for economics, and what kind of question can be asked in future also, and on the basis of this we have made presentation. Let's understand, let's do further. Number of question asked. We have done this research, and this is a live research, you can say, because in this presentation we will discuss 75 question, and we have taken all these 75 questions from 13 question papers of last year, you can say last 3 years question paper we have taken. So we have found that 5 to 6 question are asked in question paper, you can say out of 50 question, because there are 50 questions related to GK, and 5 to 6 question is related to economics. Economics contributes 5 to 6 question. But what is the challenge then before students? The number one challenge is that the range is very vast. You can say around 30 areas we have identified where the question being asked, and we will discuss all these 30 areas, and we have developed one module on the basis of these 30 areas, so that in future if students want to study economics for SSC CGL, they must know what they have to study. The second challenge before the student, if they will not understand the entire syllabus or pattern, then they will find that there is no defined syllabus. But actually if you see, there is syllabus, but the syllabus range can be vast. You can say range can be vast, and with that we will see, and from where, which book a student can study, from where the question will be asked. So these are the kind of question a student has to face. The student has in mind how can they solve this, you can say this problem. Now to solve this problem we have done research. As I told you, we have taken 13 previous year tests, last 3 years, you can say, to understand the pattern, and we have done question wise analysis, and in this presentation you will see which were these 75 questions that we have identified that came in examination from economics. Marking topic wise against each question, we have marked each question and the topic, the concerned portion that the question is being asked, and then we are doing this live analysis and research of identification of topic based on this research, and the development of study material based on this identification research. You can say the definition of, or the defined syllabus of economics based on research, and on the basis of that study material has been prepared. Now see, these are 75 questions and 13 tests. These questions have been taken from 13 tests. So see, the first question is franchising is, and this question related to microeconomics. Basically there is one you can say chapter marketing. And however, this question you will find also in a newspaper, and this is general question, but you will see this is a marketing question, distribution channel in marketing. You will see this is the franchisee question. Second question is study of factor pricing is alternative called the theory of microeconomics. This question is related to microeconomics and topic is pricing. My humble request to each one of you is that those who are watching this presentation, that you should understand every question from where this question has come. This will help a lot. Number one, you will have a clear picture in your mind which were the 75 question. Number one. Number two, you will be able to understand which book or which study material you should study. Number three, the topic or the range you will be able to understand, and after understanding all these 75 questions, you can prepare yourself according to the SSC CGL exam pattern. Now the third question is SEBI was set up in. Now this question we have put into institution category. You can say the topic is institution. SSC is asking a lot of questions related to institution, and the portion we have covered economy. In a free enterprise economy, resource allocation is determined by. This is macroeconomics question, and you can say the type of economics, that social mixed economy, market economy, then socialism, communalism, all this, the variety of economic types we have to study. And you will find that few questions out of 75 you will find in this category also. Buyer and seller will have perfect knowledge of market condition. This question is related to microeconomics, and the topic that we will cover this question in markets. Name of the common currency launched by the member of European Union. Again, this question is related to institution, because European Union is also an institution. Overuse of resources is called tragedy of common. It was propounded by. This is a famous theory. So we have made one category, that is famous theory. You have to study at least 10 most famous theories. You have to study, you have to understand, you have to learn most important books, you have to learn most important quotes, because these are the type of questions which are being asked frequently in SSC CGL economics portion. Take the correct option of GDP, gross domestic product, contributed by service sector in the past. This question is related to the sector, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. We have to study that. Study of population is called. This question is related to economics, and you can say the definitions like demography and everything. You have to learn important definition which are related to the economics. However, this question can be also asked in geographical point of view, but here we have taken this in economics. Who was the head of 10th Finance Commission? Again, this question is in institution category. We have taken this question from the topic. We have assigned this question to institution. In India, specific economic zone were established to enhance. Again, we have made SEZ one topic, or you can say one category, and you will find that on zones SSC asks a lot of questions. In the case of inferior good, the income elasticity or demand, the most question are in SSC CGL of economics is from demand topic. In which year the planning commission was set up? Again, this question is related to institutions. Externality theory is the basis theory of following branch of economics. See, this is the branches you have to study, and you have to learn different kind of branches related to economics. Functional finance is associated with this. Again, this is the important famous theory, and I have told you that learn important theories related to economics. Of the following land uses, which is restricted to special economic? Again, this question is related to zones, special economic zone. The most powerful woman in business in India, as rated by Fortune for the year 2014 is. This question related to, however, This question is asked in last 3 years, you can say 14, 15 years, 2014 or 15, but this question related to 2012. SSC in banking, you will see last 3 years, last 3 months or 6 months, you can consider current question. But in SSC, SSC can ask 2004, 99, 91. Such kind of question can be asked in SSC. SSC generally asks this kind of question. So it is very difficult to say that this question related to current affairs or this is related to the general trend of economics. So you must understand that SSC, you have to create a difference of current affairs of banking or any other exam vis-a-vis SSC CGL. Who wrote the book Why Socialism? This is a famous theory, and you have to learn, as I told you, important famous theory. This is very important. As per TRIPS Agreement 1994, a good originating from region with specific character, quality, reputation is covered to be protected under IPR Act. So this question is related to IPR policy, intellectual property right, and this is related to GI, geographical indicator. And in our geography videos, you will find a separate presentation related to geographical indicator and other trademarks. So it is also important, and here we will also cover trademarks or related to TRIPS agreement and IPR. Gold is mainly related to economy and external. This is external economy, you can say related to international trade, and few questions are asked on international trade, so that's why we have kept it as a separate topic. Bilateral monopoly refer to the market situation of, this is related to the question market. After demand, the second most frequently asked question from the topic is market. The economist who believed that unemployment is impossible and the market mechanism has a built-in regulatory system to meet any ups and downs. This is related to the theory, famous theory, you can say. So you have to learn like related to Adam Smith theory, or you can say John Keynes theory, and many other important famous economists and the theory related with them. For which tax was constitutional status given much later after its introduction in a small way in 94-95. This question related to the tax. Generally, when we think in a normal way, we will find that SSC must be asking questions related to taxes, but this is not the true. Hardly 1 or 2 questions are asked in the last 3 years in 75 questions or 13 papers related to tax. However, this is important topic. We will cover it, but you should know it is not required to study in full deep. Stagflation refers to a situation which is characterized by, this question is related to the inflation, macroeconomics. Demand of necessity is, this question is related to demand, microeconomics question. And as I told you, from where this topic you should study. For microeconomics, topic related to market and topic related to demand, such kind of topic you will find in microeconomics book, or you can say 12th class book. However, in Pinnacle study material and presentations, we will cover all study material, or you can say all topic in 30 presentations, which are very important. If you go through all these 30 presentation, I am sure that you will be able to cover whole entire syllabus of economics, and you will feel highly confident and able to give almost all answer, at least 80% answer you will be able to give. Balance of payment of a country is in equilibrium when the economy, this is external question. This thing will be find in +2 NCERT macroeconomics. Most of the question you will find that around 80% question you can find in NCERT books. So NCERT is very important for any competitive exam, and generally you will find importance of NCERT in UPSC as well as SSC always. Value added means value of, this question you will find in macroeconomics book and national income chapter, where it is explained about the goods. The difference between GNP and NNP equal to, this is national income, and you should study for that plus 2 NCERT, macroeconomics. There are two books in plus 2 NCERT. One is microeconomics and second is macroeconomics. And first in 10 plus 1 you will find NCERT related to economic development. How many countries in Africa are a member of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC? So again this question related to the institutions. Who is the chairman of 14th Finance Commission? Again this question related to the institutions. So lot of questions are being asked in from the topic related to institution. Investment multiplier shows the effect of investment on. This is question related to the investment, and you can find this question from the national income and money and banking chapter in macroeconomics. Identify the one which is not related to agricultural price policy. Agricultural price policy, agro pricing. However, this you will find in economic development 10 plus 1 and NCERT, but this is a common question. You can say the general common sense related to economics is required to answer such kind of questions. If a good has negative income, elasticity of demand, it is rated in the constitution of. This is related to the demand. This question related to demand. You can say microeconomics question. Opportunity cost of a factor of production is opportunity cost. This is related to the cost. Which of the following does not form a part of the foreign exchange reserve of India? Foreign currency. This is external. You can say the 6th chapter of plus 2 NCERT macroeconomics. This question will be covered. Social accounting system in India is classified into social accounting. This is unique question. You can say little bit different question, and this is related to the social accounting system, and you can find little bit hint about this question in plus 1 NCERT economic development related to the social indicators. Forced saving refer to saving. You can say this question is related to saving. You have to study saving, investment, consumption, expenditure, demand, supply, cost, and demand for labor is called. This is again question related to the demand. Which of the following is not an investment expenditure in goods and services? Expenditure related question. Which one of the following represent the saving of the private corporate sector? This is related to the, again saving. Price discrimination is a feature of. This is related to the market. Different kind of market, monopoly market. You will find different kind of market in this chapter. If the increase in demand is more than the increase in supply, the price will be. This again related to the demand. Consumers are likely to get a variety of goods under microeconomics related question, and chapter is demand. Topic covered. This question related to the market topic. Level of economic activity of an economy largely depend on. This question related to investment. Law of exclusive economic zone related to. This is again related to economic zone. Consumer Protection Act. This is related to the Consumer Protection Act, and there is one chapter in business studies plus 2 NCERT. Over there you can find related Consumer Protection Act. However, you can also find consumer related in any other book of economics. One important book, Tata McGraw-Hill's, that is very good book. You can say Ramesh Singh. Many students of UPSC study this book. A very good book, and over there you can find economics and mainly macroeconomics related chapters. If you are not interested to study Pinnacle study material or Pinnacle presentation, then you should go for different kind of books. You can study this book, microeconomics book, NCERT, macroeconomics NCERT. You have to search Google, Wikipedia, many items you can then study if you are not interested in Pinnacle. Otherwise, one platform, or you can say a single source can be Pinnacle study material and Pinnacle presentation, that you can get everything over there. India exports power to. This question related to external economy, or you can say external sector. Foreign trade. Average propensity to consume is defined as. This is income related question. APC, average propensity to consumption, you can say APC. Nowadays SSC is asking question related to APC, so you must prepare in deep, you can say, about APC. In short run, if a competitive firm incurs losses, it will question related to production, microeconomics. Which of the following relation always hold true? Question related to income. And Keynesian consumption function shows a relation between. This question related to income. Now, in out of 75 questions, lot of questions are being asked from the Keynesian model, or you can say the macroeconomics, based on this pattern. Over short period, when income rises, average propensity to consume usually economical income. Question related to income. A unit price elastic demand curve will touch. Again, this question is related to demand and supply. If the supply curve is a straight line passing through the origin, then the price elasticity supply will be. Again, this question is related to demand supply pricing. According to modern theory of rent accrues to. This is again a famous theory related to rent book, which is at the centerpiece of the study of macroeconomics, was written by again Keynesian model based. The basic problem studied for macroeconomics. Again, this is base. You can say general question related to macroeconomics. State Bank of India was previously known as. This question is asked from the banking sector of economics. Business in stock market and other security market is regulated by SEBI. Again, related to institution. Liberalization stand for liberalism stand for. This question is related to LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization. Liquidity preference theory of interest was propounded by. This is again related question related to theory, famous theories. Which of the following cost is related to marginal cost? Question is related to the cost chapter. 1 rupee note bears the signature of. This question is from the banking sector. Economic profit or normal profit is same as net profit. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in related to the banking. Very easy question. Which one of the following is not a feature of indifference curve related to the demand? Difference in the value of visible export and visible import is called. This question is from the external sector. You can say NCERT macroeconomics chapter number 6. When income increases, consumption also increases. Income related question. From the national point of view, which of the following indicate micro approach? Microeconomics related question. Question to differentiate microeconomics and macroeconomics are being asked by the SSC. Which among the following is not a Bretton Woods institution? Question related to the institution. Equilibrium price in the market is determined by the. This question related to the pricing chapter in microeconomics. In the national context, which of the following indicates macro approach? This question is from the macroeconomics. Internal economies. This is again from internal economics theory. One of the features of free market economy is type of markets: free market, open market, closed market, mixed economy, type of different kind of a economy. Gross national product depreciation again from the national income. So these are 75 questions of the last 3 years or you can say 13 papers. Around 6 questions from each paper, or you can say out of 50 questions, 5 to 6 questions are being asked from this economics portion. Now, and you have seen from where these questions belong to and what kind of study material. I have given a hint to you. You can purchase all these books, or otherwise you can also join SSC CGL Pinnacle online coaching batch, where you will get 80 products. You will get 80 products, and this is one of these products. Now see, now we have clubbed all these into 30 topics, and on the basis of you will get presentation. We will develop in the next 2.5 months entire presentation series based on economics, and in these 30 lectures we will cover topic wise, which we have seen during our analysis. We have done live analysis of 75 questions in front of you, and based on that we have developed this syllabus. You can say this is the syllabus. This is the syllabus of SSC CGL economics, or you can say this is the syllabus of SSC CGL, because similar questions are asked in CPO exam, in CHSL plus 2 level exam. You can say all SSC related exam are based on this syllabus related to the economics. So what is the syllabus? Micro versus macro. This is topic, economic, type of economics, branches of economics, famous theory in economics, national income, rent related theory, goods, income, expenditure and saving, investment and expenditure related, taxes related, inflation related, sectors, private sector, secondary sector, banking related, external sector, you can say international currency related, liberalism, you can say LPG model. You have to study this. SEZ, you have to study zone in this portion, and different trademarks, patent, GI, IPR policy, social accounting system, this is another topic, internal economy, this is another topic, net profit, you have to study balance sheet in, you have to take the overview of balance sheet so that you will be able to understand related to operating profit, gross profit, net profit, and related different term related to balance sheet, because these such kind of questions are being asked in the exam, and we have seen that. Consumer production related, institution related, which is very important, because a lot of questions are being asked by the SSC on institutions. And then books, famous book, author, and famous definition, various definition of economics related terminology, and important quotes, you have to prepare for that also. Demand, which is the most important topic of SSC, demand, because the mostly questions you will find that are being asked, highest number of questions from this chapter, that is demand. Cost, production, pricing in market, second most chapter, which highest question asked from this chapter after demand is market. So these are the 30 topics. This is the syllabus of SSC CGL, and this is based on the research of 75 question, or you can say 13 paper, or you can say last 3 years question paper. This is the trend of SSC CGL, and you have to prepare according to that. Now action plan, what can be the action plan to prepare economics, so that you can prepare, you can at least confirm 5 to 6 marks, which are very important, because out of 50 marks, if you score 30 plus in GK, that will help a lot, because 30 plus is a very outside, you can say excellent performance of anybody if anybody does 30 marks. And for that you have to score, if 6 questions come, at least more than 4 answer you should give. We will prepare for this action plans, that 30 lectures, this course will be for of 30 lectures. Economics related course will have 30 lectures based on all these topics we have seen, covering 2.5 months, almost 10 to 15 lectures per month we will cover, covering all topic videos plus PDF study material. You will get, with those students who will join this course, you can say Pinnacle online coaching batch, or a special course related to this economics. You will visit our website ssccgpinnacle.com. Over there you will find 80 products, and there is one product related to economic course, where you will find economics video lectures and study material and MCQ. So if you are not interested to join online coaching, then you can join for this course also. However, the few lectures will be in domain. Out of 30 lectures, maybe 2-3 lectures or 4 lectures can be in public domain, but most of the lecture will not be in public domain, they will be in private. Or you can say those students who will join this course, they will be able to watch this entire all presentations. And now this will be the action plan from the Pinnacle, and you can also make your own plan, so that you can score at least 4-5 marks out of 6 from the economics portion. This is the presentation which we have discussed about economics syllabus, what should be the strategy, from where you should study, and this is all about action plan. What can you do in this presentation? We have covered everything. I hope you have understood the concept behind the economics which are being asked in SSC CGL. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. All the best.